Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Openness, owner of Advanced Dental Wellness Center. I just want to show one piece of art that's done in a lab, and who manufactured this is called ProSomnus Lab. This sleep appliance help people make their sleep time better, safer, and people who suffer from snoring can also help them. So this device helps in three things: open airways, protect from clenching and grinding, and also reduce snoring almost to zero. Excellent device. I love it. I use for my patient and help them with this problem of called sleep disorders, snoring, and sleep apnea. And you can see on the picture that we can check, dentists can check and see what's the tongue position. And if I see this class or this class position, that's give me a concern, and try to explain to the patient where we are and what you can do for them. And that's appliance I can see in the mouse, and that's on a model. So that's what we help our clients with a sleep problem. Thank you.